Hello everyone, I'm Grisel Sardido from MCCNHS Night Department. I'm here in front of you to give some examples of product of logarithm. For example, log of square root of 7 is equal to log 7. Since this is a square root, so the value of square root is 1/2. So log of 7 to the raised to the power of 1/2 transpose equals 1/2 log of 7. Find the value of log of 7. So the value of log of 7 is 0.845098 all over 2. So 845098 divide 2. So the answer is equal to 0.42255. Then finding the characteristics and the mantissa. So n is equal to square root of 5. N is equal to log of 5. Then raised to the power of 1/2. Transpose what is equal to 1/2 log of 5. So the value of log of 5 is equal to 0.698970 all over 2. So divide 0.698970 divide 2, the answer is 0.349485. The characteristic here is 0 and the mantissa is 0.349485.